I'll keep this intro very short because I am sure you are super frustrated at flash fill. It's not working on your computer. I'm gonna show you the main reasons and how to fix them, so let's go. The first reason why flash fill is not working, it is because it's not enabled. So let me show you an example. Here I'm gonna type John, then I start typing Mark, nothing happens. Now before you start pulling your hair, you have two options. One is use flash fill manually. So for example, you can do Ctrl E and you get the result. You can also go under data, this is flash fill, or under home, you go under this button, this is flash fill also. Now, if you want to enable flash fill, I'm gonna take you to a secret place because there are so many menus. So you had file, more, options, and then here you have to go to advanced, automatically flash fill. Select it, press OK, and now you have Snow, Harper, press enter, it works. The second reason why flash fill is giving wrong results or doesn't work, it is because it needs more examples to understand the pattern. So let me explain to you. Here we have Roger and Jones. If I do Ctrl E and Ctrl E, you start having problems. Here I don't have Joseph Tanto, and here I have Ronaldo 2 times. Again, Herbert Mills is not working. So what do I do in this case? I just go to one wrong data point and fix it to give more data to Excel to understand the pattern. So here, Joseph Tanto, press enter. In my case, everything is working. Now, if it doesn't work, you do it again until it works. Let's try another example. Here I want to get M or F for male or female. So I do M, then Ctrl E. It's not working because it thought that I want to take the M from Mario. So what I will do here is put another M, press enter, it works. Let's do the initials. So MM, press enter, Ctrl E, and here you have another problem because it thought that I want this M. So what will I do? I just do VR here for Vicente Rojas, press enter, and it's working. The next one is having no pattern or being too far from your data. So for example, I have Mark Peters here. If I type Mark and do Ctrl E, boom, you get an explosion. It doesn't know Mark refers to which data set in your Excel sheet. The other way that this can blow up is if you have Mark and then you select a few cells, Ctrl E, it's not working. Just select one cell and do Ctrl E, it will work. And finally, if you give it a pattern that is very hard to understand. For example, for Mark, it is Roberto. For Samantha, it is Roberta. Ctrl E. Obviously, it's not going to work because it doesn't know how to associate this with those data points. Finally, you have the problem of merge cells. So here, if I have Mark, I do Ctrl E, I only got Samantha. Why? Well, you have a merge cell here. You have to unmerge it, and then you do Ctrl E and you get your data.